The decision to sequester carbon dioxide into subsurface aquifers or formations comes with many complex considerations. Ultimately, the formation's ability to store the carbon dioxide for long periods of time depends on the quality of overlying caprock formations. When evaluating the integrity of the reservoir system, the caprock must be closely examined for defects or mechanisms that would allow the stored carbon dioxide to escape. A seal bypass system is any system, geologic or man-made, which allows the escaping of a trapped fluid from its storage reservoir. A Healy-Shaw model is a physical model used to visualize the two-dimensional flow between fluids of different densities. In this model, two parallel plates were placed 1 mm apart and a red lower density fluid representing carbon dioxide is injected into a simulated reservoir. As demonstrated in this Healy-Shaw model, the fluid injected moves laterally along a sealing formation until it encounters a pathway for escape. These pathways come in several different forms. Extensive exploitation of subsurface resources has left many desirable storage locations riddled with abandoned wells. These abandoned wells, when improperly sealed, provide abundant opportunity for fluids to migrate both to the higher aquifers and the surface. This occurs both through the casing and through the cemented formation contacts. Faults or fractures represent planar breakage features which act as a conduit that facilitates the flow of fluids. They can be both widespread and local phenomena. These systems allow fluids to escape in two main fashions. The first is flow directly along the fault or fracture zones as illustrated. The second pathway comes when faults juxtapose permeable and non-permeable elements of the formation in a fashion that allows fluid to bypass the seal. A dike is a type of inclusion in which a different rock type cuts discoordinately across a sealing formation. This allows fluids to flow in two fashions. The first is found in sedimentary dikes in which a higher porosity or permeability rock type cuts the seal and provides a conduit for fluid flow. The second is often associated with igneous rock types which fractures the surrounding materials and provides pathways similar to the previously discussed fracture systems. A pipe is a collapse feature in which a portion of a buried formation is dissolved. The overhead rock then breaks and slumps into the cavity. This results in a brecciated or broken zone in the formations overlying the cavity. Fluids then flow through these broken zones from the contained reservoir to reach to the upper aquifers or the surface. The storage of carbon dioxide in subsurface reservoirs is a complex task requiring input from many different disciplines. Quality evaluation of caprock integrity, including potential seal bypass systems, is an important component of the work that must be done before carbon dioxide can be sequestered.